Tired of fumbling around Blox Fruits like a newbie? Let's ditch the struggle and unlock your true potential with a simple guide to PC controls. First up, movement. Use the W, S, and E keys to move your character forward, left, backward, and right. Simple, right? Next, jumping. Press the spacebar to jump, allowing you to navigate the islands and dodge enemy attacks with ease. For basic attacks and fruit abilities, click the left mouse button. This is your bread and butter for combat, so get comfortable with it. Now, for sword users, press the F key to use your sword skills, unleash powerful combos, and dominate your opponents. To switch between your equipped weapons and fruits, use the number keys 1, 2, 3, and for this allows for quick changes during intense battles. For specific fruit abilities, you will generally use the Q, E, R, and T keys. This is where your unique powers really shine. Finally, press the M key to access the in-game menu. This is where you will find important settings, quests, and your inventory. And that's it. Mastering these Blox Fruits PC controls will have you leveling up, defeating bosses, and exploring the Grand Line like a pro in no time. Now go out there and become the Pirate King. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Blox Fruits tips and tricks.